Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. First of all, you need to open your Snapchat app in your mobile device, and after that on the bottom right corner there's the photos icon. Select there and this will be open. What you have to do is you can simply export the snaps just by tapping on one of the picture, and over here on the top right corner we could see the three dot icon. Select that, and after that tap on the export or send tab on the bottom, and here we could see there's an option that says share to. Simply swipe a bit until you found this download option. Tap on that option over here and this snap is exporting directly to your gallery, and this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.